Hey everyone, welcome everyone back to another video, guys. For today I will be a calculator tutorial video for you guys on how to do a tesseract root function on the calculator. First, you want to make sure that you open up the calculator and that you are on scientific. So I'm just going to close it just to show you what to do, and then you want to type in calculator and that you are on scientific. If not, you should see this standard. Then you should be on standard by default, but then if you're on standard, you want to go to scientific. So first of all, a tesseract root is something to the power of 4 to give you that amount. For example, what to the power of 4 is 89. So to do this, an example of what this will be is that something to the power of 4 equals 89. But what is that something? That's what we're trying to find out. So to do this, you can do 89, the square root of 89, which will give you this irrational number. But if you actually do the irrational number, that is actually to the power of 2. So square root is that number to the power of 2. So for example, that number to the power of 2 will give you 89. So that irrational number to the power of that irrational to the power of 2 will give you 89. So if you do 89 square root and then square root again, this would be the tesseract root. And so now if you do that number right here, so this whole number to the power right there of 4, and then you press enter, would see 89. So you can actually do this twice. If you do 77 square root, so that's the tesseract root of 77 to the power of 4 to prove that it's a tesseract root. Okay, to prove that at the fourth root, guys, okay, to use the function. Okay, to the power of 4. Okay, so that's 77. But here's another way you can actually do this. You can then do 77 this. Instead of pressing this twice, you can actually use this root and then for 4, which would give you the same irrational number that we had. So that number, to prove that is the same, I can do 4 to prove that that number is exactly the same, guys, I can do to the power of 4, which will give you 77. So we now know that this to the power of that is that. Just remember, guys, that you add the function first. Okay, so if you're wondering what to the power of 50 would equal 45, well, you just type 45. So here 45. Okay, so what is the power of 50 equals 45? So something x to the power of 50 is 45. But what is x? So 45. Then you press here. Then 50. So that to the power of 50 is 45. So then we can do to the power of 50. So that is the irrational number to the power of 50. So we found out what to the power of 50 is 45. So yeah, I hope that you did sort of enjoy this video, guys. Remember, guys, that you can use this method here, but I would recommend mostly using this method. It's more simple. Just remember to just type in the function first. 41. The tesseract root is 4. So what to the power of 4 is 41. And it is 2.5304395344444435. That number to the power of 4 is 41. So to the power of 4 is 41. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. This also works for decimals as well, not just whole numbers, but also for decimals. You can even do 41 this square root of 3.33333 and 0.1. So that number, so that's to the power of what we just is to the power of that. So this irrational number to the power. Okay, guys, look, this irrational number here to the power of this 3's will give us 41. So there you go, because 41 root 3 is 3. So there you go, actually inverse, that was the 41. That root's 40, this root of 41 is this rational number, so this rational number to the power of this root will give you 41. So that number to the power of this root will give you 41. You can even text you right. Just remember one thing. To type the number first, it's a full number, 78. Nothing else of that, so just type 78 purely. Then press this, so 78 would appear like this. Then type in the number. After you press this, do nothing else but just type the number you want, 633, and equals. So this number to the power of this number here to the power of 633 will give you 78. So guys, I hope you did enjoy something about more roots. And yeah, guys, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.